Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Let's quickly create a company, and cost center, and a region, and we will associate that with our supervisory organization. Right, we will see how these objects can be interlinked. So let's go and create a company. What is the task to create a company? Create a company. Create company. So create company is a task. There is. Create company reorganization. We will use the same one. We work. Okay. And let's give it a name called www._XYZ Motors Inc. Okay. You see, now we are calling it as XYZ Motors Inc. When we created the supervisory organization, we also call it XYZ Motors. Yes, because it was at the top level, but we did not give the full name of the company. We did not put it like private, limited or Inc. or PT or something, but this time we are giving the actual name of the company. Remember, whenever you are creating the name of the company, it has to match exactly as the company name is given. Nothing else okay. If there is a dot comma, full stop, whatever, it is a dash. You have to put the name exactly in the tenant, okay. Because nobody wants their name to be spelled incorrectly. And there are legal obligations as well, because this name would appear in all the reports unless you name it correctly. It will not go up correctly in the reports. So let's give it a code. Let's call it as comp01. Okay. Comp for company. Okay. Subtype. This is a company and visibility. Let's put as everyone. Okay. When you create a company, it is important to mention the company currency as well, because this is a currency that would be used for all the financial transactions. Right. All the financial transactions are done on the basis of the company. We know that, right? And maybe also on the cost center. But company is the foundation of work to finance, so we have to specify company currency. Right. Okay. So some of the rules are: we do not have primary location option here, right? I mean, isn't it important to know which location the company is? Not necessary. Not necessary. We only have to specify the currency. Okay. So now let's click on OK to save this. Okay. Now for a company organization. Can we create a subordinate of a company? Let's try it out. Let's go to the related actions, and then go to reorganization. Okay. We are trying to create a subordinate, but we don't have that option. Right. We don't have the option to create a subordinate in the reorganization. So how do we create a company organization or a company structure? Company hierarchy. Correct. So we have to create a company hierarchy. So that is the task. Create company hierarchy. We will use the company hierarchy to form our company hierarchical structure. So we will use the same reorg. And now let's call it as WWXYZ group of companies. Right. So this is our group of companies, and let's call it. Let's give a subtype as company visibility, as everyone. Okay. Now you see, here also we are allowed to add some roles. Accountant, controller. We saw the controller role in company as well. But here also we are able to assign some roles. The roles that you assign at the hierarchy object will also be inherited in the company object. Right. Same happens for location hierarchy as well. Same happens for region hierarchy, also for cross-center hierarchy. The concept is the same. If you assign some roles in the hierarchy object, they will also be inherited in the particular. I mean included object. Right. Let me click on OK to save this. And how do I include a company in a company hierarchy? Same reorganization. But related to us. Related to us. Reorganization. Reorganization. Reorganization and then assign included organizations. Assign included organizations. Absolutely. We will not create a subordinate. If we create a subordinate, then what happens? What type of object will it create? Company or company hierarchy? Company hierarchy. Company hierarchy. Let me tell you a very poor joke here. Like, which I always use. It's very poor, but it is appropriate. So she had a bad chance, right? In Hindi, we have a saying that a lion or tiger's child will always be a lion or a tiger. Right. So here, if you are creating a subordinate of a company hierarchy, it will be a company hierarchy. Okay. If you create a subordinate of a location hierarchy, it will be a location hierarchy. It will not be a location. Okay. So remember this. Although it's a very bad PJ, but sometimes it's effective, okay. So if I create a subordinate, let me create a subordinate here. So okay, with today's effective date, if I create a subordinate, you see, it will still be a company hierarchy. Let's call it as the WW_XYZ. Let's say North America. Okay, so I'm grouping all my companies in North America together. So the organization subtype is, let's say, a company and submit. So now, if I look at XYZ North America, it's a logical grouping of a company hierarchical structure. So let me go there. Let me navigate to that particular object. If I go to group of companies, this is a company hierarchy structure, and it has a subordinate called North America. XYZ group of companies is a company hierarchy right now. If I go to North America, we think it will be company hierarchy, and it is a company hierarchy. You see, I am in XYZ North America page. It is still a company hierarchy. Correct. Now, If I want to include my company that I created as part of XYZ North America, what do I do? Millet actions. Reorganization. Assigned. Retooled organizations. Organizations. Correct. So what it says, okay, what is the reorganization? So we say okay. W. Sorry, we work. But company. It is very particular that if you're changing the hierarchy a little bit, you have to use reorganization as well, because it has financial impact. What is the include organization? We say W. There is only one XYZ. More. Okay. Again, can one company be included in the company hierarchy more than once? You should not know.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.